Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track changes on the Google Docs website. So first of all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So once you open your browser, go here to the URL section and simply just type the Google Docs, hit the enter button, which will take you into this page. From here, click at the first link, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. You will notice that by an AD icon on the left of your link. Of course, once you click on the first link, if it's not an ad, they will take you into this page. Of course, if you are not at this page, make sure to go and check for another link. And if you are at this page, that will be even much better. So if you are at this page, you would like to click at the sign in option here at the top right corner to log in into your account if you already have one. But if you don't, as you can see here, we'll have an option to create an account for free. Of course, if you have a Google account already linked into your browser, you'll be able to do those two options uh, very simple and fast, and it will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this Google Docs homepage or main screen. And for here, you would like to, or you will have actually to create a new document or open some of your recent documents, or of course you can just go here and choose one of their templates and start working on it and start with it. So for me, I'm just going to open here recent documents, which is actually like empty. And as we said, we would like to drag some changes that's happened into my document. So of course, like the Google Docs give you the advantage of sharing your document to other people, and of course other people like could actually make some changes if you allow them to. But once you actually shared your documents, other people may actually, as we said, make changes on it. So of course, if they make their changes, you'll now be able to see what they change if you have here a lot of pages and etc. So if you want to see what actually was changed, so you can just go here and see last edits was a second ago. So let's say if you write like in something here and delete it, like this saving button will actually makes it saving, and this will change. So last edited was a second ago. So of course, if you click on it, you will see the history of change. So as you can see, we have yesterday I changed something, and here the name of the user that changed, and of course here what's been changed. So here of course that will be actually it. Of course, you can even restore the version. That's like if you did something and someone changes for you, can actually restore the version that is changed, and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.